We'll guide you through how to download and install Microsoft Teams on a Mac. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. With Teams, you can then go and join different meetings and conferences, and you can share your screen, your camera, and use your microphone. So what we need to do is go and open up Safari. You can go and click it in the dock at the bottom. Now what you can do is go and type in Microsoft Teams like this, and you want to come to Microsoft. Now what you want to do is you want to go and find the option download now, and you can go and click there. Press download Teams for Mac, and we need to go and allow the download like this. You can press downloads in the top right of Safari, go and see it here, and then go and double click on it like this, and we can then go through the installer, press next, make sure you get the drivers needed, and we can then go and press install. Enter your password to confirm this. It's now finished and it's successful. We can press close and move to bin. We can then go and close out of this. Teams may automatically go and open. As you can see, if it doesn't, we can. Then you can go and choose an account if you previously used one here before, or you can just go and join a meeting. I'll go and use my account here. Now you can go and use it. Leave a like if you found this useful.